If you want a sunscreen that also does some really beautiful natural color correction, you're going to love this sunscreen from Andalou Naturals. Now, I have been searching for a new sunscreen. Most of my sunscreens were the Korean sunscreens that are no longer available in the US, and I came across this one. It has great reviews, and I'm wearing it right now. I love this. This is all I'm wearing for foundation and color correction. Yes, it is a very light foundation, but it goes on beautifully. It has this really inviting rose scent that also fades very quickly, and it is making a difference. It definitely is blending out some spots, and it is SPF 30. Now I went with the sheer beige. That's probably one of the other reasons why it's not covering so much. It does come in some other varieties that will probably be thicker and provide more coverage if you're looking for that. And when I applied this, I just applied it with my hands. I did not use a blending brush, only because I really wanted to get the impact of the sunscreen in this as well. But I still would recommend adding more sunscreen on top of this if you're going to be outdoors for a while. While this is lovely, especially if you work indoors, it's not, in my opinion, enough sunscreen to get you through the day. Especially because this is a zinc-based sunscreen, and zinc will wear off throughout the day. The one thing I am really impressed is, while it is a zinc-based sunscreen, thanks to it being a colored sunscreen, I never noticed any whiteness while I put this on. It just applied beautifully. Let me show you it. And it comes in this lovely tube, and this really isn't just a color correcting sunscreen. It is also skincare. This has stem cells in it, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E. It has a lot to take care of your skin and protect it in so many ways throughout the day. It is also dermatologist tested and reef-friendly, so that's really wonderful. And when you twist it open, it's just a really standard applicator. And when I put it on, it really does just look like a nice cream foundation. But the smell is so inviting. And then when I rub it in, it starts out looking a little thick. And then as I keep rubbing, it very, very quickly blends in and is absorbed. It feels so, so nice. And now this hand is protected and has color correction, and this one doesn't. And while the difference is minimal, there is a difference, and this feels so much nicer. This is a really, really lovely sunscreen, worth checking out.